HTC Construction is a licensed and insured, family-owned and operated construction company in Fort Lauderdale, specializing in entire home remodels, additions, kitchen remodels, bathroom remodels, interior and exterior renovation. From floor coverings to kitchen cabinets and countertops to ceilings and everything in between, HTC Construction has everything necessary to deliver your dream home. We offer quality products, excellent service, and professional installations that go above and beyond your expectations. If your kitchen needs a whole new remodel, you can schedule an appointment today with one of our designers in our showroom. Or if you want a quick kitchen update, start by replacing your worn double bowl undermount kitchen sink with the Gunky silicone joint with a large multifunctional single bowl sink. HTC Construction is the only company in town who can do it on site without having to move your countertop, and it only takes one day. Our rimless, flush mount design, known as integrated TopZero sinks, are patented in the USA and Canada. Please call us at 954-776-0444 to make an appointment, or visit our website at changeyoursink.com.